There's a lot of opportunity here. I feel like many students, especially seniors, who are looking for a pathway after high school, this is a good opportunity for them to come, see the different pathways, see what they might want to do. There's military recruiters here, there's Docomo, there's tech, there's even the UOG college. There's a lot of opportunity here, and I think it's really nice.